Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable HubSpot custom theme styles for better control, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable HubSpot custom theme styles for better control, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main dashboard. From the drop-down, select Files and Templates. In the left sidebar, locate the Themes section. Choose the theme you wish to modify by clicking on its name. Once selected, you will see an overview of the theme. Look for the Styles tab within the Theme options. In the Styles section, find the custom styles that have been applied. To disable them, click on the toggle next to each custom style. Confirm that you want to disable these styles when prompted. Next, return to your page or template where the theme is in use. Open the page editor by navigating to the Landing Pages or Website Pages section. Select the specific page you'd like to edit. In the page editor, look for the Advanced Settings. Under Advanced Settings, locate the Custom CSS field. Remove any custom CSS that may be affecting the design. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the editor. Preview the page to see the changes in action. Adjust any additional styles as needed to achieve your desired look. Keep in mind that disabling custom styles can lead to a more standardized appearance across your site. Continue monitoring how these changes impact your website's overall design. If necessary, re-enable any styles that you feel are important for branding. This will allow you to maintain control over your visual layout without losing brand identity. Regularly review your styles to ensure they align with your current branding strategy. By following these steps, you will have successfully disabled HubSpot custom theme styles for improved control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.